What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Oh, yes, baby. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole. Today, guys, we are doing the January's The Box by fashionsta. Took a little poll on my community tab on YouTube, and you guys say yes, y'all want to see it. So, yeah, I'm going to show y'all real quick. This ain't going to be no long video because I'm just kind of over this late shipping. Ooh, girl, so if you guys want to see what's in January's The Box by fashionsta, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the box and their shipping. Okay, guys, welcome. I'm TonyaNicole. Today is hump day. I hope y'all humping some or at work or doing something productive with your day. We got the box today. Before we get started with the box, I want to give a big super duper shout out to my 5 first commenters in my Slay Glam unboxing. Thank you guys so much for waking up early and tuning into your girl. Thank you, girls and boys. I love y'all so much. What did you guys think about my lashy bag unboxing? I also want to know that down in the comments below. If you did not catch it, I posted it on Saturday as a bonus video, so I'll put that link below so that you guys can go and check it out. But today, guys, we have the box, and the sun is coming in from all angles, so if y'all get glares, I'm sorry, okay? But this is like the second time that my box has come very late in the month. Bad enough they ship pretty late. And I hope that that is something going forward in 2020 that they work on, because if you take my payment, and I'm speaking on me, if they take my payment out on the 1st, I expect my box by at least the 15th. Nonetheless, let's get on with this unboxing. This box, guys, is $19.99 per month plus free shipping. For old members, they just recently raised their prices to $24.99. For new subscribers, a month, I think it's still free shipping. It's vegan and cruelty free. It's supposed to be a mixture of skincare and makeup, but we normally get skincare in this box. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not really feeling the hype of the box no more. I'm just kind of not. So this one better wow me, or I don't know what we're going to do with the box. So guys, without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. So y'all know it comes like this every month, and the value is $80 to $150. Like I said, it does come with a card with Happy New Decade. Thank you for subscribing to the box. A consciously curated selection of glam and skincare, predominantly featuring trending and amazing indie brands for you to discover with a high focus on vegan and cruelty-free practices. They also, every time you subscribe, it does help out this 1376 Family Crisis Center that they're doing. I think that is beautiful. So this is what the front of the card looks like, guys. And this is the back with all of the prices, and the retail price are right here. And the retail price already is $139. So we will, see what we got that's worth $139. So let's go, boo. We're gonna pull right from the top. First up is from Luci. This is a 4-in-1 Radiant Face Gel. It's a mask, highlighter, moisturizer, and treatment. And I have Silver Detoxifying Gel. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves. And this is, what is this? It's good for stressed and tired skin. Okay, that's good. Mix before use, apply before bed, and wake up glowing. And if you want a quickie, it can be a 20-minute treatment, rinse and wipe off. You can moisturize by applying it to your face or body, or highlight to get a subtle lit from within glow. So that's what the outside packaging is looking like, guys, like I told you before. In here you get how much? 0.5 fluid ounces of product. And this is what it looks like on the outside right there. Let's open her up. Comes with a seal, I like that. It expires 6 of 2021. Smells like lotion, but this is how it looks, guys, inside of that little jar. I don't know about this. I may try it out and use it. I'm interested in knowing what this will do to my skin. I'm interested in using it as a highlighter. So yes, let's see what this little baby retails for. And this is the Luci Metal Lit Face gel, 4-in-1 face gel, and this retails for $15, guys. And I told y'all it's cruelty vegan free, made with mineral oil, made without mineral oil, paraben, sulfates, and it's made in Italy. So yeah, yo. Okay. Next up, I am seeing from, who is this from? Oh Lord, Caolion. Kyle, I don't know how to say this, Caolion, and this is the Pore Blackhead Steam Pack and Pore Original Pack Duo. So this is what the box looks like, guys, right here. The one on the top is the Blackhead Steam Pore Pack. This is step 1 right here on the top. And this one is supposed to heat and exfoliate your face, get all those impurities out. And the second part 2, which is the bottom, this one is the Pore Original Pack, and it cools, tightens, and soothes. So that's what they have in here. It's like a 2-for-1. So let's open her up and see. When you open it up, it does come with this little spoon thing here, which I do like. And we're gonna see. This is what it looks like outside of the container, guys, right there. Let's open up the cool one first. Okay, this is step 2. As you can see, it is not full at all. I mean, look how much space you have inside of that. So I guess a little bit of this product does go a long way, but it is not even full at all. So that's what that one looks like. It really doesn't have a scent. And the one on top, ooh, looks like that. It's a little darker clay, charcoal type color. And yes, guys, but I will read up on this product and see what's exactly in it. So if you know, or if you know anything about this product, let me know in the comments down below. Let's see what this retails for. This is the Pore Blackhead Steam Pack and Pore Original Pack Duo, and it's $16, guys. And on the card here, it says a detoxifying duo featuring a steam mask that opens and deeply cleanses your pores, then a cooling mask to tighten and minimize the appearance of pores. I, however, do have pores in this area here, so I may actually try this product out, and it's $16. Okay. Up next, guys, we have a blank box. Okay, they have something written on here, but I don't know what this is. Let's see if I can find it on here. This is what the box looks like, guys. So it's not that my camera's not picking it up. It's just a white box. They do have a little bit of writing on it, but this is a mint cream is what they say. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. This must be the CLE Multi Cream. Okay, so yes, you get 2.2 fluid ounces of product, and this is a multi-cream that is rich and luxurious, multifunctional cream infused with calming Palo Santo essential oil, an extract for moisturizing skin, ideal for use as a daily moisturizer. It's for all skin types, and okay, it has hyaluronic acid in it, shea butter, a combination of fruit extracts. So yes, it's for long-lasting hydration to dry or irritated skin. So yes, guys, if you have dry, irritated skin, you can use this. It absorbs quickly and leaves no greasy residue on the skin. It says it's for all skin types, but it focuses on dry skin on this card. Let's open it up. It does have a 12-month shelf life. This is what it looks like outside of the package. Let me hold it to the side so you guys can see. It's a nice little tube right here, and it has a safety seal on it. It's made in Korea, guys. I won't open this because I'm on the fence about using this. I do love getting moisturizers, so I may use this one. So look at that. Let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the CLE Multi Cream, and it retails for $32, guys. Up next, guys, we have from Luna by Luna, and this is a what is this? Sapphire lip oil. Oh, okay. I do like lip oils as well. Y'all know my lips stay dry. So this is, let me put it like this. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys, right there. And we're going to take it out of the box. Oh, it's very pretty. And this is what the outside little, this is what the tube looks like. I don't know. I'm getting so tongue-tied. Oh, it smells like, I guess like those sugar cookies maybe. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand so that you guys can see. That's how it looks on my hands, guys. It's just a regular lip oil, which I could use right before I do makeup application because it feels sticky though. Because my lips, like I say, are always dry, but I do love wearing matte lipsticks. So let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the Luna by Luna lip oil, and it retails for $18, guys. Up next, we have from Bang Beauty, and this is, what is this, a lipstick? A lip crayon, and this is in the shade Kiss Me. Ooh, this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys, are right there. And let's open her up. This is what it looks like outside of the box. And this is the lip crayon right there. I will not swatch this because I could tell you already this color will not work for me. So this is a good little, this is something different that they're putting in the box. So let's see what this retails for. This is the Bang lip crayon, and it retails for $18, guys. Next up, girl, they ain't playing this month. They're giving us plenty of products. They must have been listening to people or making up for the late shipping. You let me know. From Girlactik, we have this precise eye maker right here. This eyeliner in the shade black. That's what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And let's see. This is what the tip looks like. Y'all know I do love a black liner. I will never have to buy a black liner again because I get so many in subscription boxes. That's what it swatches out to be. It's a very nice black. The lines, oh, I do see that it's bleeding a little bit on my hands already. So I hope it won't do that on my eyes. But I do love getting black eyeliners because I keep them everywhere in my house because I always need a black eyeliner, don't you? So let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the Girlactik Precise Maker Liner, and it retails for $20. It's supposed to be a smudge-proof formula that's long-lasting, and it's created to do a thin or thick cat wing liner. So let's see if it's smudge-proof. What y'all think? I rubbed it. Okay. It didn't rub out too much, but it did bleed some. But that's good. I'll use it. And last up, guys, we got a palette. This is from IBY Beauty, the City Limits palette. Look at that packaging. It's gorgeous. And this is a 12 shadow palette. Oh, this is what it looks like outside of the package, guys. And oh boy, does she come with a mirror? Hey, girl. And I want all of my subscribers, when you open up a mirror or you walk by a mirror, I want y'all to do exactly like this. Hey, girl. Or boy, whatever. I want y'all to look at yourself and say, oh, I'm cute. I don't care if you got makeup on or not. Every time you pass by a mirror, I want y'all to say that. And then after you do that, we do a dance break and a drink break. Hey, I don't have no drink again today, y'all. I'm so whack. We're going to start doing Wine Wednesdays. And I'm trying to think of a good way to start incorporating coffee and teas into my channel. I don't know if I want to do like a coffee Friday and a tea Monday. I don't know yet. So y'all let me know your ideas down below. I am going to do a Wine Wednesday and let you guys know what wine I'm drinking, show you the bottle. But I want to start incorporating some coffees and teas on Mondays and Fridays. Yes. So let me know some good little names to call it. Monday, I don't know. So let me know, guys. But anyway, this palette right here is very cute. It does come with the mirror, as I told you guys. And we're going to show you how it looks. This is a gorgeous, 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 gorgeous palette. I absolutely love every color in this palette. It is beautiful. You have shades like Headliner, Drop Base. I don't know why I said that. Light Show, Silent Disco. We're going to swatch these. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. They feel so good. Woo, that's what they look like on my fingertips. And we're going to swatch them. Oh, my God, guys. This is like my type of palette. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous. You got some matte shades and just enough shimmer for that ass and that eye. Ugh, girl. Let's see what this baby retails for. You see my hair keep going over my lashes, huh? It won't let me be great today. It don't. This, guys, is the City Limits eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $12. Oh, I'm sorry, $20. So that was the final product in today's box. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, rate the box, and we're going to be So we received from IBY the City Lights palette that I absolutely love. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh, shit. Okay. I also received from CLE this multi-cream moisturizer here. We received from Bang Beauty this lip crayon here. From Girlactik, we received this eyeliner. Luna by Luna, this lip oil. From... I don't know the name of that, Caolion. We received this Pore Pack Duo. Oh wait, we're gonna put it like that. And last but not least, from Luci, we received this 4-in-1 Radiant Face Gel. So that's 7 products for this freaking month. Okay, final thoughts. Now, even though I'm pissed off that the box came so late, y'all, I'm kind of sort of feeling this box. I'm getting more of things that I would actually try to use and not throw it to the damn fire. I'm definitely going to use this palette. I'm going to use this eyeliner. I'm going to try this pore pack. I'm going to try this. I'm going to use the moisturizer and the lip oil. 6 out of 7. The only thing that I'm going to put in a giveaway is the Bang lip crayon. And if some of these skincare products doesn't work for me, I'll pass it on to my mother or my sister. But y'all, 6 out of 7, look at that. All right, the box. I kind of see you trying to come back after everybody had been dragging that ass because y'all, not only was their boxes late, but they weren't really that good in my opinion. So this month, I think they kind of made up for it a little bit. Now, I got to deduct a little point for the late shipping. But other than that, I thought the box was really kind of cool this month. Even though we did get skincare products, they did give us a nice, healthy mixture of makeup, which I love, and actually products that I could use. So I'm very, very, very excited about that. Girl, what y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the box. Even though it came late, would these be some of the products that you would think about using or would use? Let me know, guys. If I had to rate on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn dogs! To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo? I'm going to give the box for the month of January a whopping 4 for this month. You get a point for late shipping, but we're going to give you a 4, boo, because I'm really kind of feeling it, y'all. I am. 3.5 to 4. We're going to stick with a 4. Yes, okay, good job, the box. So I really enjoyed January's box. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys liked this month's box and what your rating would be. Again, if you have not subscribed to this bomb ass subscriber squad, babe, you sleep. You need to wake the hell up and subscribe to your girl. Go follow me on Instagram. And I'm going to be doing a little bit on Facebook now. What y'all think about that? Girl, I'm cutting up. Dance break and a drink break. Okay, y'all, let me stop because I ain't even drinking nothing. So don't forget, guys, let me know down in the comments below what you think we can do as far as Mondays and Fridays. I'm gonna try to do wine Wednesdays and coffee or tea Monday and Friday. So let me know some cute little names you guys will come up with. That's all that I have for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it for you all. I love you guys so, so, so much. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. I love you all so much, guys. Bye.